So you're in Montana and you've got yourself a new motorcycle. You might be wondering what it's going to cost to register it. If you are, this is the video for you. Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Williams, owner of Armor Insurance Agency in Miles City, Montana, and today we are answering the question, what does it cost to register a motorcycle in the state of Montana? Before you hit the road, you need to know Montana law does require all street legal motorcycles to be registered with the Montana Motor Vehicle Division. Knowing the fees beforehand, well, it just helps you avoid any surprises. Motorcycle registration in Montana involves a combination of a flat fee plus other charges, which vary depending on how the motorcycle is going to be used, on-road, off-road, or dual use. By paying the fees and registering your bike, you're making sure your motorcycle is legal, safe, and properly documented. So here's a quick breakdown of the fees that are commonly seen when you're registering your motorcycle. There is a flat registration fee of $53.25. There is a motorcycle safety fee of $16. There is a Montana Highway Patrol salary and retention fee of $10. And there is a plate manufacturing fee of $12. This brings the total to $91.25, but this does not include any special fees or optional fees that your county may impose. It's important to understand that the fees vary depending on the use type for your motorcycle. Off-highway only use has a lower total, around $63.25, because they're never intended to be on public roads. And dual-use motorcycles, on-road, off-road, tend to have a higher total, around $152.50. The state of Montana does allow the counties to apply an additional tax up to 0.7% of the retail value of the motorcycle. And something to keep in mind, if you have an off-road use motorcycle, you don't have to get it registered as long as you're not driving it ever on public lands. I hope this video was helpful in helping you understand what you're going to be required to pay when you register your motorcycle. And remember, if you ever have questions about motorcycle insurance, you can always reach out to me. You can reach me at 406-416-1096. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.